एग्जामिनेशन इन 8th स्टैंडर्ड एज वेल एज 10th स्टैंडर्ड आएगा ये, सोच लो कितना इंपॉर्टेंट है। 9th पे नहीं है, रिफ्लेक्शन है, ये तो 9th में भी आता है। Now we have understood how the rays are refracted, how we get a POV, how we actually can get the images to form. Very simple. Now if we have a glass block मतलब क्या? glass बेटा, glass का block ऐसे होता है कि नहीं? thickness ऐसा थिक होता है कि नहीं glass का block? I have kept it on a surface. From that glass block, I have passed. Now I am not drawing it like. Now you understood what is the glass block? I will only draw the surface where the two mediums meet. So this is the surface or not? This is the surface where two mediums meet or not? No one will draw. So this is glass. This is air. This is also air. Am I right? Am I right? Now let's start with our incident. Let's say this is my incident ray. This is my normal. Incident ray बनते ही normal बना देंगे. Normal. Now it is moving from rarer medium to denser medium. So where will it move? It will move towards the normal. Towards the normal जाके यहाँ तक भी जाएगा कि नहीं? यहाँ तक normal बना देगा. ठीक है? Now wait. This is my first incident ray or not? Now tell me on this surface. This is my surface 1.
Surface 2 पे incident ray बनता है.
And this is my surface 2. Surface 1 पे this ray I is incident and this is refracted. So this is angle of incidence. This is angle of refraction. But at surface 2, this line becomes the incident ray or not? Agree? This line has become the incident. Now again I will draw a normal. Now where will this ray go? Tell me. It is going from denser to rarer. Am I right? Denser to rarer. So it will go away from.
मैम अभी सेम ही होगा पर
Did I ask you to talk? Angles क्यों same होगा?
मैम क्योंकि फिर से away from.
That's what. Yes. It will be like this. Okay?
मतलब सेम ही होगा बस.
Coming to that. Now this is my incident ray 2 or not? And this is my refracted ray 2 or not? कितना clear हुआ? Is this clear or not?
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
Now you will see, you will observe this, that if I project this ahead, if this is projected ahead, these two lines will be parallel. What will it be?
Parallel.
Always these two lines will be parallel to each other. Why? You know, because same set of media, air glass, glass air. इसीलिए ये एंगल और ये एंगल हमेशा सेम होगा.
पर मैम आप जब मैं वो सर्कल पे लेजर मार के देखा था वो साइड में हो गया.
कौन सा सर्कल पे?
वो आपके डेस्क पे आता है ना वो.
क्योंकि उसमें तो बहुत सारा प्रिज्मेटिक इफेक्ट है. वो एक राउंड एकदम चीज नहीं है. थोड़ा सा भी एंगल कहीं पे होगा तो उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाएगा. It strictly follows the law. It's not a roundish figure. It must be perfectly round. Perfect angle होना चाहिए. नहीं तो वो फुल उल्टा पुल्टा हो जाता है. कुछ डिस्पर्शन हो जाता है. लाइट का डिफ्यूजन होता है. Light, why can we see most of the objects around us? You know, because of diffusion of light. All surfaces are irregular or not? They are regular surfaces. Most surfaces we know are irregular or not? That's why light gets completely इधर कोई इधर जाता है, कोई उधर जाता है, कोई कहीं से रिफ्रैक्ट होता है, कहीं से रिफ्लेक्ट होता है. That's why you can see everything. Understood? Understood? Now. Now this ray, you know what is this ray called? This ray is called as what ray?
Incident.
This ray is called as what ray?
Refracted ray.
What is this ray called?
Refracted ray.
Emergent ray. क्यों? Emerge हो रहा है कि नहीं? Emerge हो रहा है कि नहीं? इसके लिए इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Emergent ray. Understood or not? Then
yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So you understood why this is parallel? These two are parallel because always I is equal to emergent ray का उन लोगों ने कोई ये इतना स्पेसिफिकली दिया नहीं है, एंगल नहीं दिया है, बट आई आर कॉलिंग इट R2. एंगल R2 विल बी इक्वल टू एंगल R, है कि नहीं? क्यों? बिकॉज मीडिया, पेयर ऑफ मीडिया इज सेम. समझ में आया? वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डायग्राम, ड्रॉ इट राइट नाउ. Write the heading refraction through a rectangular block.
पहले वो अपने 3 बना ले.